Welcome to our YouTube channel. All right, future finance gurus. Are you ready to take your chartered accountancy journey to the next level? You're on the CA path, which is amazing. It's tough, we know, but the rewards are worth every bit of effort you put in. But guess what? You can totally rock it even harder. Imagine not just passing your exams, but excelling in your career. How? By adding some extra skills to your arsenal. These skills can range from advanced financial modeling to data analytics. Think of it like this. You're building a superhero suit. Each new skill is like a new piece of armor. Your CA qualification is the main suit, right? It's your foundation, your core strength. But to be really super, you need gadgets. These gadgets are the additional qualifications and skills you acquire. These extra courses are your secret weapons. They give you an edge in a competitive job market. They make you stand out from the crowd. Imagine being the go-to person in your firm for complex financial issues. Employers love candidates who go the extra mile. They see you as someone who is committed to continuous learning and improvement. Plus, you'll be ready for anything the finance world throws at you. Whether it's a new regulation or a financial crisis, you'll have the skills to handle it. So are you ready to level up? Are you prepared to invest in yourself and your future? Let's dive into some awesome courses that'll make you unstoppable. From advanced taxation to international finance, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to transform your career and become a true finance superhero. First up, data analytics. It's the backbone of modern decision-making. Remember that saying, knowledge is power? Well, in today's world, data is the new knowledge. Data is knowledge in its purest form, waiting to be harnessed and utilized. Data analytics is like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving business problems. You dig through mountains of data and find hidden clues that can transform strategies. You learn to spot trends, make predictions, and help businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions. Imagine this. You're a CA at a cool startup. The company is buzzing with energy and innovation. They're launching a new product, but they're not sure which market to target. The stakes are high. Boom! You step in with your data analysis skills, crunch some numbers, and bam, you've got the insights. You've identified the perfect customer base. You're a hero. The team celebrates your analytical prowess. Data analytics is a hot skill right now. Companies across industries are seeking data-savvy professionals. It's like having a superpower in the finance world. You can predict trends and make informed decisions. Trust me, this is one course you won't regret. Investing in data analytics education can open doors to numerous opportunities. From healthcare to finance, retail to tech, data analytics is revolutionizing how we understand and interact with the world. So, embrace data analytics. Dive into the world of data and become the detective who uncovers the secrets to success. Your journey in data analytics starts now. Get ready to make an impact and drive change with data. Next up, let's talk tech. In today's fast-paced financial world, technology is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Don't worry, you don't need to become the next Mark Zuckerberg. But having a grasp of basic programming can be a game changer for your career. Imagine being able to automate repetitive tasks, analyze complex data sets, and even create your own financial models. These skills can seriously boost your CA game. Think about it. Finance is becoming more and more tech-driven. From high-frequency trading to risk management, technology is at the core of modern finance. We're talking algorithms, automation, the whole shebang. These tools can help you make more informed decisions faster and more accurately. Learning a language like Python can help you automate tasks, analyze data faster, and even build your own financial models. Python is particularly popular because of its simplicity and powerful libraries like Pandas and NumPy. That's right, you can be the master of your own spreadsheets. Imagine transforming your Excel sheets into dynamic automated tools that update in real time. Imagine this. You're a CA at a big investment firm. Your day is filled with analyzing financial statements, forecasting, and making strategic decisions. You've got tons of data to analyze, but it's all manual and time-consuming. This is where your programming skills come into play. But you, my friend, you know Python. You can write scripts to automate data collection, cleaning, and analysis, freeing up your time for more critical tasks. You whip up a script to automate the whole process, saving yourself hours of work. This not only increases your efficiency, but also reduces the chances of human error. Now that's what I call working smarter, not harder. By leveraging technology, you can focus on what truly matters, making strategic decisions that drive your firm forward. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but hear me out. Communication is key in any field, but especially in finance. You need to be able to explain complex financial concepts in a way that everyone understands. Whether it's your colleagues, your clients, or even your grandma, clear communication is crucial. Think about it. You've just finished an amazing financial report full of insights and recommendations. But if you can't communicate your findings effectively, all your hard work goes to waste. Take a course in business writing, presentation skills, or even public speaking. Trust me, being able to articulate your ideas clearly and confidently is a game changer. Section 5, the power of networking and influence. All right, let's talk about networking. I know it can feel a bit awkward at first, but trust me, building a strong professional network is essential for any aspiring CA. Think of it like this. You're building a team of superheroes, each with their own unique skills and powers. Your network can provide you with support, advice, and even job opportunities. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. You never know where a simple conversation might lead. Section 6. Think global importance of foreign languages. In today's interconnected world, speaking a foreign language is a major asset. It opens up a world of opportunities, especially in the globalized field of finance. Imagine this. You're a CA at a multinational corporation. They need someone to liaise with their overseas clients in, say, China. Guess who has the edge? That's right, the CA who speaks Mandarin. Learning a foreign language shows that you're adaptable, culturally aware, and ready to embrace new challenges. Plus, it looks great on your CV. Section 7. Navigate the legal landscape. Finance and law go hand in hand, right? Understanding the legal framework within which businesses operate is crucial for any CA. A basic understanding of business law, contract law, and tax regulations can save you from potential headaches down the line. It also allows you to provide more informed advice to your clients or employers. Think about it. You're a CA advising a client on a major investment. Knowing the legal implications of the deal can help you structure it in a way that's both profitable and compliant. Section 8. The Sustainable Future, ESG Expertise. Here's a hot topic: environmental, social, and governance, ESG factors. These are becoming increasingly important in the business world, and investors are paying attention. Understanding ESG issues and how they impact businesses is crucial for any forward-thinking CA. It allows you to advise clients on sustainable investments, assess risks, and even contribute to a more sustainable future. Imagine this. You're a CA at a firm that's looking to invest in a new company. You notice that the company has a poor environmental track record. Armed with your ESG knowledge, you can advise your firm to steer clear, saving them from potential reputational and financial damage. Section 9. Combining it all, real-world success. Let's bring it all together with a real-world example. Meet Sarah, a recently qualified CA. Sarah decided to level up her skills by taking courses in data analytics and ESG investing. Fast forward 2 years, and Sarah is now a star performer at a leading investment firm. Her data analysis skills allow her to identify promising investment opportunities, while her ESG knowledge helps her make ethical and sustainable investment recommendations. Sarah's story shows that combining your CA qualification with additional skills can lead to incredible career success. Section 10. Your future is now. Take charge. So there you have it, future finance superstars. These are just a few examples of courses that can supercharge your CA journey. Remember, the finance world is constantly evolving. By continuously learning and expanding your skill set, you'll be ready to adapt, innovate, and thrive in this exciting field. So go out there, embrace the challenge, and become the ultimate finance superhero you were born to be. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such insightful content and information.